Hey guys, it's Roy from Tech Time, and today you got a review of the Red Dragon Kumara LED Backlit gaming keyboard. This keyboard is an actual $40 mechanical gaming keyboard, and yes, it's not one of those cheap knockoffs you see online. It's cheap and it's actually mechanical. What better than that? And it's not like mechanical feel keyboards, it's actually really mechanical. You do actually get that sweet clickety clack sound. It's backlit, and it's not too bright, just right, and easy to see even with the monitor right in front of you. And when I just say it just looks awesome. There aren't really many cons at this price point. It's very tactile, and it's literally better than any membrane keyboard you get around this price, due to the fact that it's an actual mechanical keyboard. It uses green cherry. It says on the site it says cherry green equivalent, when in reality it's a little more like cherry MX clone. And these are clone switches, apparently called green tech switches, but really they just work exactly like a mechanical keyboard, and if you haven't used one before you probably won't even notice. It has that great clickety clack sound, so you won't have any problems with that. In conclusion, this is a great keyboard for the price. Thanks for watching, guys.